Every now and then you come across a budget headset from one of the big names. This is one of them. This is the ASUS ROG STRIX GO 2.4 gaming headset. I'll leave a link in the description for those who would like to buy it. I'll also leave a link for you to download the app for this headset. I want to make sure this video is as short as possible, so please bear with me. Let's get on with it. Are you ready? Let's go. The headband is made with metal wrapped with foam and thin pleather and divided into sections. The headband is flexible, but in my opinion, not as flexible as I would like. I would also like to say that it's not the sturdiest of headbands, but it does stretch wide enough. Part of the headband is wrapped with foam and thin pleather, and that part rests at the top of your head, and it's very comfortable. The other section of the headband, not wrapped in foam and pleather, is made with hard plastic. And unlike most headsets, the adjustment slide is not at the hilt of the headband, but in the middle of it. I think it was designed that way to include the adjustment slide and the fold hinge at the end of the headband. I have one problem with the headband, and that is it feels a bit fragile. Suspending from a Y hinge is an oval-shaped ear cup. The Y hinge gives this ear cup a bit of a tilt to keep the earmuffs around your ears. I like the very design of the ear cup. If you are like me and RGB lights aren't a be-all and all, then you'll love this one. There is a matte feel to the plastic used on this part of the headset. The overall design and shape of the ear cups and the ASUS logo behind it gives it a simple yet pleasing look, and unlike the headband, it does feel sturdy. The earmuffs are made with very soft foam and wrapped with pleather, and though the foam cushion is thinner than I would like, it does feel a bit comfortable. It is not very large around to cover someone with large ears, but if your ears are small, you have no issues. Now for the part I've been waiting to talk about, the sound production of the speakers. I think the sound of these speakers is what you would expect from a high-end headset or better. The best way I can describe this headset in my experience is like sitting in the middle of a cinema. The sound is properly balanced. The sound from the left complements the sound on the right. It is very layered. You hear the entire sound separately if you focus on what to listen to, but at the same time you can hear them combined. It's amazing. To enhance the 7.1 surround sound, download the app. The ability to identify and locate objects is very enhanced, and with the app I couldn't use it at the highest volume because it was way too loud. You can hear the wind blow, even some of the sound your player makes. Listening to music using the app is really good. You get a music preset in the app, but using the FPS preset sounded better to me. So overall, the sound from the speakers exceeded my expectation. The link to the app is in the description. Please download it. The headset has two microphones, an inbuilt mic and a detachable boom mic. Both mics are supposed to use the AI noise cancelling feature of the headset, but in my opinion, you can only notice the difference when using the boom mic. The AI noise cancelling only works with the boom mic. I also noticed that when you're using the 3.5mm audio connection, you do not have the AI noise cancelling. The boom mic is flexible, so you can place it in the position that suits you. You can also tweak the sound production of the mic from the app. The sound of the mic is rather very impressive. Here's what it sounds like. Howzit T.O.B family? This is the mic test of the ASUS ROG STRIX GO 2.4 gaming headset. We're testing the 3.5mm audio connection, so if you can hear my voice right now, This is what the 3.5mm audio connection sounds like. Now stay tuned for the USB connection test. I'm back with the audio test of the USB connection of the ASUS ROG STRIX GO 2.4 gaming headset. I'm sure you can tell the difference in sound production between the 3.5mm and the USB connection from listening to this audio test. Feel free to rewind, watch again, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's get back to the review. The controls on this headset include a volume control wheel, a function key that controls pause and play and skip forward or skip backwards, a power switch and light indicator, a 3.5mm audio port, a hidden inbuilt microphone, a boom mic port, and a USB Type-C port. The USB Type-C port is for charging the battery of the headset. With heavy use, the battery lasts about a whole day. You can get 3 hours from a 15-minute charge because of the fast charging feature. With these controls, you can use the mic without the app, but I think using the app is really immersive. To connect the headset to a device, you've got two options. One, a USB connection, and two, a 3.5mm audio connection. The USB provides a lag-free connection because of the 2.4 GHz RF technology with dual antennas. Included is a USB-C dongle and a USB-A adapter in case your device doesn't use a Type-C connection. The 3.5mm connection also gives you a hardwired audio connection if that's what you prefer, but using the 3.5mm takes away the AI noise cancelling feature. If you like the video so far, please click on the like button to support this channel with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. So in summary, the ASUS ROG STRIX GO 2.4 gaming headset has all the makings of a flagship with budget prices. It gives you options when it comes to connectivity. The sound production is crazy good, not to talk of the AI noise cancelling of the mic. It's got an impressive fast charging feature, and above all, it's super lightweight. It folds into a small unit, and with the provided carry case with all the compartments, you can carry this around with ease. I only wish the headset doesn't feel so fragile. That said, I still believe that this headset deserves a TOB stamp of approval. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. For other ways to support, click on the thanks button or check out our links in the description. Until next time, take care.